Mama wakwaba wo friend me Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo any ho Volta region omo capital and omo kase omo etre so omo kwan bia na ewo ho. Eh kabashu nye. NDC fo ende we manano so akokun we manano so akokun we because of 2 minutes. Omo abedi oman so Volta region a almost stronghold watches a wakwan enye no mo main road bi e wo ho his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo ba ya momo enu mo twa kwan yo mu di ahrosi abusuafo men kasa nche nyenti nipa no try na yenti nsema o kan na yenti na ase omo de ma his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo de bia mbetena meka say when it comes to roads dia no government no president I will bet him then say even almighty Akufo according to me finding sense in bo so ye kwan as his excellency no he dare not omampenda da Akufo with all due respect asem na medeka never no omampenda da John Dramani Mahama de ni bobue green book almost omo ya kwan ya waga na hanu nyina nso his excellency na Addo Akufo Addo 2016 January yeso ani in as president and Ghana for started complaining until omampenda da na kwan no ye ne me ni bi akwan ni go and the Volta region for a trauma kwan mo de na Addo ase yentie ensem omo ekai
we na ye ka se NPP aban no ya aban bi a omo ba ma Ghana nyina ye nuamo a mo wo Volta region we mani age ama mo yesre mo ema mo ma NPP ensensi fo na eye fedodo omo chema Ashanti region ni other regions no omo ankase mo nto aba ma wo mo omo bremu bi hwe omampanyini dada afa kwan we so eba ho esa bebusa mo se Akufo Addo jeje besia na odi ayeden nka esenka obi busa ne se na kwan na ofa so bae no sebi na wada na
sa pepe
hwe kwan ne fe NPP aban omo beye Ghana te se take na Dubai amaye mumayo mumreki 8 Ghana mabunu mumreki 8 no ne beboa ye nyina hwe kwan we ne fe nefe hwekwan nefe NPP
Musa de Dubai cry
on break you 8 no na obi a honton why nyame nhire mu nyina
square pegs in round holes and it's not fitting and you intentionally block it and say who name say Jimmy no that is John Dramani Mahama or kan kwasi asem John Mahama kanyansa sabe ka fa nyansa enim na dwene nya adwuma apetition na wano no unsa apetition no madu ba bi ese wadwene that is what is happening to John Mahama obodamba John Mahama no obodamba enkakra wan hwe ya wan do ba wuro no ho gina stage no awro no obodamba his brain is not working listen that apomuden mufan cheme like I said I was trying to prepare myself but I can't healthcare apomuden is the most important thing to any country unless you belong to NDC and a healthcare nya de papa. But look at the thing John Mahama fights against. He was in parliament when NDC MPs walked out of national health insurance. Not of the parliament. Parliamentarians no come home. Utie, me chremo. Free maternal care. Ye di ja woman wo gu no cause on tisa niamanase enye no ne forte. Very stupid man is he. Ono unfair be ma. That will be the bar or best say no. That is stupid man. Onye nyame. Nyame kwesi apia we penny na wembu ho a don't expect me say mebu. Utie. We are penny now with the every chance be a ubenya bi obanum apetesia betina social media betina radio so akan kwase asamwa ye beka tron say wo kwase a Ghana for electricity who so what dan you dwanfunu ene abo dwanfunu person obedi Ghana for so na Ghana for ni bi kura flag John Mahama will come again nyame ntia moka mo kwase ampa for na mo pesa Mahama aba back to power ni na nyankopon tuatua moka mako mo ba ko free education o mo faili o munya F o mo ko munya J flat Especially NDC for no man, moon fairly free education, this cosmo flag bearer and not Jimmy Yajuma. A dear Buamun, one on all CS or you're here for a party. Who be silent to say, or the other man here for will be. Again, a competent man touts their achievements. They don't count uncompleted projects. Now, before I remember education, we so anything I'm a soldier because education, they will attack education and health. You are attacking me. Because the free education is benefiting me. So anybody that attacks it, I will attack you, including John Darega Kromfua Mahama, Airbus Embraer thief, criminal man. John Mahama, or no kwana person here do cocaine, your father be a president, Jimmy Ford, that's who he is. And anybody that support John Dramani Mahama is equally as foolish as his master. When you see free education and you tell me that is not a good thing, but we should rather share the money for people in houses, Jimmy Ford. That is why somebody like Ebenezer Gomado, you see the name? Very foolish boy. Because Siampeni power, you're doing funu cratching Mahama name. Jimmy. Akwasi ampa fo we na Mahama ka chiro so muntu tu omusini na ambro mbetu akono because Jimmy fo Mahama apan so na bua bi sa no wontumi nko school nkwasi afo bi so sa no wo se ntamoa wo ko Volta regional wo mo sabe impredia se bi no fa nchame wo mo sa moa NDC fo no mu wo ko ba bi a NDC fo no wini na wo mo se ntamoa wo mo sa moa wutie wo mo sa moa so ntumi nhwe wo mo mani na adane am Roberts. They don't research. You are a fool. And your John Dramani Mahama has shown the reason why he will never become president again in Ghana. John Mahama becoming president in Ghana is just as equal as saying that everybody in Ghana is a fool and they are no longer right-thinking people in Ghana no more. It doesn't make fucking sense. You might like him as a person. He might be a cute man. Maybe an hoya but with Jimmy. Mahama with Jimmy or Kasa on Jin because or can't quasi assembly we are and son was in American quasi assembly in Amake. Now Otimi can't quasi assembly because Aquasi and Pafua Cotriphobia and Pedumaya from Ghana for Nibi. Eh? So. Obia went to me a talk. Or no to minya gods kwa kase eduane a yede ma yemma ono ne nkraman kura ni nkraman kura indi. But I have a good news for Don Dramani Mahama.
Na masema mekano eye one abronya kura akama. Se Mahama no ho Mahama no se ye nim ye kotoa ba Mahama masa mesi eviase me de me do se eviase say o eviase ye recycle but the nipa na ewo mu no e na den boni we ye tirimu nti na anytime bia no ho ye ka eviase be say sa no ye tie asema me kai the only thing is say only Musa are near co school. But the Mehobe example. First, I near co school. No, me see your Pamubi school fees are no me to think as me to bring us. But imagine, you know, say, if you have a try, I'm so funny at the Pamuya, Miss A. If you may not dream the atro, as I'm secret me by ye. Just a Kanyamia Mwami, I can be failing. Oh, yet you all know, Abronyaka, or see. So only pay a school for your free mind. They say school fees yeah naneso. I know. Nanefia. When we saw what we practice for exams. When we saw.
Yeah.
For what you saw exams. But when the school near the school fees, it take walk. You catch up say won't fear way. If you go. Nako kofa ma me bra o papa bra and time say to make catch say kofa ma me near papa bra